Hi everyone and a warm welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Studies and preparations are now being started for November 24. This is an important video for all the students who need IDT classes in 100% English. No AI, no nothing, live English classes for your indirect tax November 24. I will give out all the information in next 5 to 7 minutes. Ensure you are there till the end, and then if you have any other queries, you can contact me. Okay, so this is our indirect tax batch that is in 100% English. And major highlights, full coverage we are ensuring in 120 hours. This includes your important questions, answers and IC examples in the class as well, plus the daily MCQ test also, right? This is going to be a live batch. Now, this live batch is already, it was started from 24th of June. Module 1 we have completed, right? So as soon as you register, you will get instant access to the recorded lectures. Got it? ITC we are starting from Monday. That is the most important chapter of your course. Sit live from Monday. So we are giving an entry point. The completed around 14 to 15 lectures you can get access instantly as soon as you register. Earlier we had kept the price as 5,999, but only for the English batch and only for next 3 days the price is 5,499. This includes your books. Balance information I will give you. Just wait a minute. You can register here. This is our website www.svalimbeclasses.in. You can register on this particular product, right? That the blue 100% English. Now, before we move forward, let's just briefly cover what are the points to be ensured. These are the general FAQs, right? So this is basically 100% English batch, and believe me, the batch is going extremely well. All the students are satisfied. I also displayed some of the authentic feedbacks, genuine feedbacks of the registered students at the start of the video. So I know what kind of quality we are delivering, and please don't worry, all the concepts will be properly clear. Okay, we are targeting 80 plus in 120 hours batch. May 24, despite being one of the trickiest attempt, still our students had very nice scores, like very good scores, above 50, above 60. I will be sharing all those creatives very soon. So I know what is working, and we know that we are able to, we will be giving you all that support, all that structure for you to ensure that you are able to get that 80 and 80 plus score. But yes, we need your trust, we need your commitment in terms of the study. Okay, so we are hoping to embark on this journey together. For that, yes, the batch has been already started. Entry point I have told you, it is a morning batch which runs from 7 to 9:15 a.m. approx 5 to 10 minutes break in between, and we are hoping to cover this under 120 hours, approx 120 hours. Okay, now important questions will be covered in the class. In terms of books, see, this was one of the most frequent queries that I got, especially from the South students, that sir, are you going to cover the questions? Yes, important questions I will cover in the class. Some questions I will give you homework, because you need to apply the concepts as well. And wherever there are queries, I'm always available on the doubt support. So your WhatsApp, Telegram, I will be there with you. Don't worry. Okay, basically I will be accessible to you. So 3 books you will be getting in this price. That is your GST concept notings book, customs concept notings book, and your question bank. Now what is different in our customs book is that our concept notings book is that, first of all, the entire syllabus is covered in 296 pages. That is approx 215 is your GST, and approx 80-81 is your customs. And these are not the normal paragraph notes. And apart from that, the like generally you must be seeing that one is the main book, one is the chart book, then one is the final summary book, then final revision book. No, this is our one in all book. So it has everything covered properly, everything as per your ICS study material, but in a flowchart manner with the use of diagrams and flowcharts and graphics. Just like you can see here, nothing you will find in paragraph form, nothing you will find in a boring form. So everywhere I have used diagrams, everywhere I have used real life examples, and the entire book GST and concepts, GST and customs has been covered in the similar manner, right? So everywhere you are going to find only and only flowcharts, correct? So yes, this is our also the colored book. Obviously, this is a colored book, not black and white. And basically we call this first to last. So this you will be using on the first day, and this will be going till the last day of your revision. Question bank is normal. That is pretty much same for every faculty. The basic questions that you need to cover. Daily MCQ tests are covered in our exclusive Telegram group. These were the main features of our batch. I think I have covered each and everything. Backup, yes, you will be getting. So if you are not able to attend live, immediately same day the class is uploaded on the drive, so you can watch that. Completed lectures access will be given to you immediately. Apart from that, if there is any query whatsoever you want to talk to me, just WhatsApp or Telegram 95604 36910. I will guide you honestly whether you should go for the batch or not, right? But I'm sure, and we are very much sure, the entire batch is sure of what we are going to deliver and towards what we are heading. So you can completely trust us on that. and demos are already available. Revisions had already uploaded in English, so you can get an idea of what kind of lectures you can expect, right? Plus apart from that, I will be putting one demo also. So this was all from my side. All the very best. Study well. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.